And they're off. Please Don't Quit away awkwardly. Cajun Freud breaks out on top. Out for the lead is Cajun Freud. Kiss My Monkey fires up on through, and Colton's Honor is there too on the outside, and so those two head to the first turn together. Mr. Andrew tucks back, racing fourth on the outside as they make that bend. The red guy is following that one into the first turn, and up top, it's Colton's Honor and Kiss My Monkey. So these two to set the pace, 3 ahead of Cajun Freud. Back running in third, Mr. Andrews racing in fourth. Another 2 to the red guy in 3-2-1. 3-2-1 broke from post 11 and was saving ground around that first turn. Good race riding there by Alex Patilla. Back running in sixth by 3. Mr. Fritz Spirit and Louisiana Boy following that pair down the backstretch run. Then it's a huge break back. Intelligent Life followed by Please Don't Quit. Julia's Wild Side takes up a spot at the back of the pack. 60-1 on Colton's Honor, the half, and 47-4. Kiss My Monkey keeping pace and inside. Mr. Andrew perched out to the outside, 3 wide, racing in third. The red guy revs up. The red guy getting in contention as well, and Cajun Freud is right there. Fifth, and in behind horses, Mr. Fritz Spirit, nowhere to go. Set to strike is that one. Shuffled back a couple of lengths as they come off the turn. Kiss My Monkey and Mr. Andrew off the turn together. In behind Cajun Freud, trying to muscle his way through. Here comes Cajun Freud getting on track now. And on the far outside, Intelligent Life's got a shot. And the red guy is there too. 16th to go. Cajun Freud and the red guy down inside Mr. Andrew. On the outside, Mr. Fritz Spirit and Intelligent Life racing for the wire. Mr. Andrew got it. A hard fought head. Cajun Freud over the red guy, followed by Mr. Fritz Spirit and Intelligent Life.